committed to creating a more efficient, comfortable, and intelligent lighting environment for the world. ZGSM, founded in 2005. The headquarters and factory are located in Linglong, the west of Hangzhou. Since its establishment, ZGSM has been rapidly developing its business all over the world. In 2009, it was entitled as Patent Model Enterprises. In 2009, it was awarded as National High-Tech Enterprise. In 2012, it became the member of Illuminating Engineering Society and Semiconductor Industry Association in China. ZGSM's research and development team is composed in the areas of optics, thermodynamics, industrial design, electrical engineering, information engineering, arts, etc. The core designers are all well experienced in domestic and international important programs for industrial products. The abilities of this powerful team gives ZGSM unmatched technical strengths that allow it to have applied for over 100 worldwide patents. ZGSM Factory passed ISO 9001 and ISO 14001 International Quality, Environmental and Energy Management System certificates. Products covers LED streetlights, LED floodlights, LED high bay lights, LED canopy lights, LED traffic lights, solar lights, and smart control systems. Most of them have passed CE, CB, ENEC, UL certifications. Through innovative, reliable products and services, collaboration with our partners and customers, ZGSM is taking the world in a premium lighting experience.